Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So 10 days ago I've made a video about how to set up MIUI. I've used this phone, the Redmi 9 Prime. In case you want to watch the review of this phone, click the card appearing right now. Yeah, I've made a video about how to set up MIUI in such a way that it doesn't show ads. I have not seen any ads so far. You can also set it up like that. And recently my friend shared a link which was a video from Debloat, credits where credits are due. In that video I've seen a Debloat tool being used to debloat MIUI or the phones with MIUI, where you can uninstall apps like MiPay, MiCloud and things like that, which comes as a disturbance sometimes, maybe even a lot of times, and in such a way you can kind of remove ads altogether. I thought I'll make a video about that since many people were having many questions, and in case you want to watch the video about setting up MIUI made by me, you can check it right here. Well, before we start, there are some prerequisites which are, I've noted it down over here, some tips, not tips, points to be honest. Yes, debugging has to be enabled and I'll show you how to do it, which can be done in the phone using developer options, which is quite straightforward, nothing to worry about. And second thing is that warranty issues. Yeah, I've noted that after I install these apps and then if I proceed and go to factory reset, then while setting it up again, these apps are appearing. So the first time I did this debloat using the Debloat tool, I've observed that some free space has been regained, but during the second time no free space has been regained. I don't know why that issue is happening. Maybe I clearly don't have a clue, but maybe it's kind of a disabling feature rather than uninstalling. But I'm confused though, because if you disable it you can see it in the app list, which is not the case. So might be uninstalled, might be somewhere, or maybe the APK file could be in the phone itself. Well, what I meant to say is that warranty issues might not be present, because if you reset your phone you can totally bring back how it was, and I don't think it will be an issue for rejecting your phone. Anyway, I'll just check with the local authorized service center just to be sure. And another thing is the Debloat tool in Windows and Mac uses the ADB, which is the Android Debug Bridge, which lets you connect your device and communicate with your device. Another thing is Java has to be installed. Oracle's Java has definitely got to be in your PC, and if you don't have that, a prompt will be shown, but nothing to worry about. I'll be linking it down below so you can install it from there. And just to be sure, back up your phone just to be on the safer side, and do not uninstall any of the apps which you are not certain about. So it might cause issues with your phone. So this is a disclaimer, I am not responsible for it. So please be extra careful, and a safe list of applications is available on the XDA developers page, which will again be linked below. You can check it out and ensure that you are installing the correct apps. And if you want to experiment, it's up to you, but I'll not be responsible for those. Yes, these are the prerequisites that you have to keep in mind before you plan this process. Now let's go ahead and see how this process is to be done, how to install the app on your PC. It's quite straightforward, and how to connect your phone, which can be connected using your USB cable, and Android debugging has to be enabled. And when the phone gives a prompt, you have to click yes so that your PC can communicate with your phone. First, let us set up the application in the PC so that we can connect the phone and go ahead with the uninstallation process. Let's open XDA developers website link for the tool. As you can see, there are a list of apps that can be uninstalled without any issues. Make use of the list so that you won't make any mistakes. Go to the link in the description or the one appearing in the link from the XDA page and download the file required for the Debloat tool. The file is available from GitHub. Download and install Java from Oracle's website in case you don't have it already installed. Use the link in the description or use the link provided in the GitHub page. Once Java is installed, you will be able to run the jar file which will open the Debloat tool. Let us set the phone so that debugging is enabled on your device. In order for debugging to be enabled, we have to enable developer option first. To do that, go to Settings, About Phone, and keep tapping on MIUI version till a prompt is displayed showing you are now a developer. Now, go back to Settings and select Additional Settings. Scroll down and you will see the developer options. Choose that and scroll down to the debugging menu and enable USB debugging. Click OK on the pop-up and you are ready to go. Connect your phone to your PC via the USB cable. Once again, make sure that USB debugging is enabled. Double-click and execute the downloaded jar file. The Debloat tool will open up like this. You will observe that on the left side it will be written Unauthorized device found. Please allow USB debugging on your device. You don't have to worry about this. All you have to do is click on the pop-up which shows the computer's RSA key fingerprint and allow debugging to the PC. This pop-up will appear on your phone. Now you will be able to see a list of applications installed in your phone in the Debloat tool. You can select by clicking on the boxes and proceed to uninstall the application from your phone by clicking the uninstall button below. So this is how you do it. Once again, make sure that you make use of the list which is available in the XDA page mentioned in the links. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have observed that there is no increase in unutilized storage space in the phone even after I have uninstalled the applications using the Debloat tool. I have factory reset the phone 2 times and both the times the uninstalled softwares had made a comeback. This will probably be due to the fact that the default ROM package installer will have all these apps bundled in the package. Well, the use of the application is to uninstall apps that are stubborn, and it seems to work well, and we don't have to receive annoying ads from Xiaomi, and we don't have to put up with the apps that are good for nothing. I hope you have found this useful and was able to follow the steps clearly. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.